Also at the back because today also we are having a yo-yo episode because he is the only person who sings all the yo-yo songs.
You know what? You're very bad at keeping secrets.
No, it's a by default stuff that if Apurva is singing, there has to be a yo-yo song. So what I'll be requesting is I'm requesting few of you all to come down and just stand here,
Yes.
and few of people can come down here. We can have today a lot of shouting and all, and I want the audience to interact with Apurva because he has selected one of the fantastic songs. Trust me, guys.
Yes, and as promised, you're not gonna get bored. You're gonna be very entertained. It's a roller coaster ride, and let me tell you, it's a blend of all the hits that you've heard so far in TGIM, what he's performed so far for the past 4 years. It's like a summary of what he's done. So it's gonna be a superb hit.
It's kind of a deja vu performance. What I'll be doing is we'll be calling him for the next song. I would request you all, if you know this song, please join along with Apurva. It'll be a history. Okay, guys?
And give him a huge round of applause again. Come on.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Play. Is that your number? प्यार लगा जो तुझे लगा भाई नहीं, but there is a step, right? ये गाने का एक step है, बहुत ही common step है. How is it? Can I get there, please? Yeah, exactly. So thank you so much, Apurva.